public information officer, so I talk to the media, TV, any folks that are inquisitive about what's going on and the latest updates. Just taking it one day, 1 hour at a time. It's busier sometimes than others, and now that the avalanche is released and the National Guard's here, we're a lot more relieved. So we're just hoping to get as much roof shoveling and hazardous snow out of the way and clear it off the streets before the next storm comes in.
I'm a volunteer firefighter, and we've only responded to one collapse so far out at 6 Mile. No injuries, so everything has turned out well.
Good morning, I'm Shannon Jofe, I'm the Fire Section Chief. Welcome to Operational Day 3.
I think that's probably the main stuff. Don't do dumb shit.
We told her that yeah, she could stay in there for. There is shelters available right now. We've got a bunch of people in town here, so there's shelters available. But she's gonna go kicking and screaming.
Who's up there, Krista?
Rich Brenner, Steve Moffat, and Dave Anderson.
There's some dedicated ADF&D employees.
Yeah, no kidding. They've been up there for a while. Steve was here Sunday, too. My place isn't too bad. Most, well, I mean, you know, the snow is up to here, but...
Looks like it works pretty well, I guess. See how long it lasts.
We're going to sign a pass a resolution for the emergency disaster, but then after that we'll go back to shoveling snow.
Still got the thing, all I need is a bucket.
Yeah,
My hand will work okay without the...
Those are a hot commodity right now, and it's very rare that you can get one in town. They're pricey. You know, you can probably sell one for $200 and they can buy it.
In a matter of 3 days, I sold probably 2 dozen. But I'm out. So I got them coming on Alaska Airlines. Hopefully we'll get them.
Harborside Pizza's floor is a little flooded because any snow that gets on our roof melts and floods the shop.
Docks are about 3 feet thick of snow, covered in ice and everything, and so we came down here and helped out the city of Cordova, just removing all the snow. So.
Melted a lot too.
How high was it?
Up to those windows up there.
What do you think of the snow, Elena?
It's really steep and tall, and there is a ton of it.
They're moving the snow with tarps. See that? Yeah, load it up. You got a slide right there.
years ago when we were kids, doing the same thing. It's, in the 70s, that's a big help though.
You know, these guys kind of breathe a sigh of relief into everybody, and it's like CPR snowbank style. I'm gonna go find a couple more. Cordova Muse Apartments. We're still waiting for some stuff to come off the roof. There's maybe 6-7 feet up on the roof. And we had some entryways blocked, but we got them unblocked, and we're hoping these guys can come up and help out too.
Are you having fun so far?
Oh yeah, I'm having a blast.
Yeah.
It was beautiful weather for coming here.
And how long do you expect this particular job at the high school will take you?
I'm thinking probably to into tomorrow, maybe longer. It's pretty one of the main jobs that we have here. We have about 20-25 people on it, so hopefully it won't take more than 2 or 3 days.
All good, here it comes. Blizzard warning from 3 a.m. to 4 p.m. Tuesday. Snow heavy at times, highs 34, 30 to 45 mile an hour winds. Tuesday night, snow and rain. That's good. Lows 32, 20 to 35 mile an hour winds, and then rain and snow.
Alaska in a blizzard, washing dirt out of the snow burner so we can continue to melt the snow that's inundated the city. How's that?